Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to count non-empty cells in Excel. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. As you can see, this data range contains all types of data: text, time, number, and even error. And there are also two empty cells. One is really empty. The second one seems empty at first glance, but actually contains a formula that returns emptiness. Our task is to count only non-empty cells, that is, all cells except E7. The count_A function is perfect for this. We enter the function and then the cells or range of cells in which we will search for non-empty cells and press enter. As you can see, the formula perfectly counted only really empty cells. But there are times when it's necessary to ignore the empty cell that is returned by the formula, like cell E9. Then to calculate in such conditions, we use a formula of this type. The rows function returns the number of rows in the selected range, in this case 8. And the countif function counts empty cells in the same range, of which there are 2. And we have a difference of 6, as we expected. The problem is solved. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.